Meaning of disarmament.
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 Disarmament. Disarmament refers to the act of reducing or eliminating a nation's military capabilities or weapons. The goal of disarmament is to create a safer and more peaceful world by reducing the likelihood of armed conflict. Disarmament can be achieved through various methods, including mutual agreements between nations, international treaties, and disarmament initiatives. The result of disarmament would ideally be a reduction in global tensions and the risk of war, as well as freeing up resources that were previously allocated to military spending for other purposes such as social welfare programs or infrastructure development.